7 digital marketing trends that small business should pay attention to in 2023. Are you a business owner? Are you a digital marketer? Are you interested in what is going on online and how it affects your business? You need to pay attention to these trends in 2023 because they are going to impact your business. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emmanuel and I'm always excited to have you back. Thank you for being here. I'm excited because you are there and I'm happy that you always come back for this fresh content that is released every single day. In case you are new to the channel, consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our videos which we release every single day, Monday to Sunday. All right, let's go into the topic of today. 7 digital marketing trends for small businesses. Number 1 is video. Short video is trending in 2023. Everywhere you go is video, and it is short video. So if you're a small business, you're not creating video, you are not doing your business any good. You don't need anything. You just need your mobile phone. Hello, are you listening to me? You don't need any other thing. You already have what you need to create a video. Your mobile phone and just a tripod. Even if you don't have money to buy one, somebody can hold it for you and capture that moment, all right? And in your Android or iOS phone, there are several free apps that can help you edit those videos, and of course you can start sharing them. So short video is trending, is bringing lots and lots of traffic to businesses. And you can see, I'm doing one. This is short video. All right, number 2 is social media stories. Instagram stories, right? Facebook stories, YouTube shorts, everywhere. So this platform have positioned themselves to leverage on this short video I'm talking about. So it is trending, right? So if you're not using your stories on your Facebook, you're not using your stories on your Instagram reels, you're not using your WhatsApp status, you're not using all those, they are very powerful and they are trending in 2023. Number 3 is interactive content, right? When you create a content, make it interactive. You can create a quiz, a survey or post that will make the customer or client or prospect talk back, right? Give you feedback or answer some question. Something that will make create an interaction between you and the people consuming your content, not just a one-way kind of thing. Like, when I do video, I ask you if you have comments, you have questions. Of course, some of you send me questions or comments. So interactive content is trending, right? Don't just do content, one-way communication kind of content. Do content that will allow you interact with your audience. Because when you interact with them, you know their mind. You know whether there's something you need to give them they're looking for, or something you are not doing correctly. They need to, yes, your customer can actually tell you what they want, yes. So it's not about what you want to give them, it's about what do they want. So if they know, if they tell you what they want, you can give it to them. That's why you're there to serve them, all right? So make it interactive. Number 4 is influencer marketing, right? Yes, we may see small businesses influencer, yes. Not all influencers are expensive, right? You can use influencers to boost your business. There are several of them that are affordable, right? But it's trending in 2023. So leverage on influencers to build your business very fast. Some of them can be partnership. Some of them can be trade by barter. It's not every time you pay. Sometimes it can be your product. You are exchanging for the money you're supposed to pay them, right? So find a way to use influencers for your business. Okay, number 5 is AI, artificial intelligence. Of course, every platform is built on artificial intelligence. When you run adverts, it's not done by a human being. The platform has AI that crawls around accounts to look for those the audience you have asked them to look for. So, but you yourself must leverage on the data they are pulling out. For instance, let me give you an instance. Let's say you have a website, right? Google have powerful AI that gives you loads and loads of data about what is happening on your website. Do you even check those things? Do you know where your audience are coming from? Which country? Do you know which page they visit on your website and what they do there? Do you know how long they spend on your website? So these data are there. The artificial intelligence on this platform are doing a lot. You can leverage on this data to enhance your business. And in 2023 is even getting more deeper with AI like ChatGPT on ground to do virtually everything. So AI is deep in everything. So you need to get in to understand how you can leverage this for your business. Okay, number 6 is personalization. Right, personalizing, whatever you are doing to each customer. The essence is that you want to serve somebody from knowledge, because the essence of having access to all this data is that you now know your customer. You now know who this person is, so you know what exactly to give to him. You cannot give to Emmanuel what you gave to James. It may not be the same thing. That may not be what I want. So you personalize the service, especially when you deal with services, high-end or high-end product and high-end services. You want to give everybody their personal service and serve them in a way they like, right? I remember those days. I don't know whether banks are still doing, but there was a time banks created this personalized service for some level of customers, right? They still do it, but I think it's not as visible as it used to be. Those days they would create. If you come into the banking hall, they have a separate segment where they make it so luxurious that certain kind of customers are going into that place. I remember a particular bank implemented something like that. So it's just to give people a personalized kind of service that will make them feel good and release their money without stress. Finally, number 7 is customer experience. Focus on the customer experience, right? Customer experience deals with how the customer interacts with you, at every point in the customer journey. What are their experiences? You have to make sure that those experiences are good. At the point of awareness, what's the experience? At the point of engagement, what's the experience? At the point of subscribe, convert. At the point of when they buy something, what's the experience? So you make the experience sweet at every point in time. What that does for you is that the customer's experience of you in totality is good. They're going to come back. They will not only come back, they will bring others with them. They will write good review for you. And what will that do? That will boost your business. So guys, this is 2023. This is what is trending in digital marketing. And if you're implementing digital marketing for your business, or you're implementing it for a customer, right? Or you want to even get into digital marketing, you need to know what is trending. You need to know what is going on so that you can start doing it to help either your business or the business you are working for or the business you are going to work for. So that is it, guys. I hope you got value from the video as usual. If you have any question, please comment section, contribution, comment section. Please remember to like and share the video. And of course, if you're yet to subscribe, you're missing a lot. I will see you again tomorrow in another fresh video.